You are Mr. Saurabrata Datto,
Yes.
living in Delhi now.
Yes.
Hometown is Prayagraj, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Uh, just you are now COVID warrior. Just you have defeated coronavirus.
Yeah.
So I just
Yes, it has. In
yeah.
a way, sir.
I just want to ask you some questions, some question I like to have with you regarding this, because this pandemic, this trying time, everybody is panic stricken.
Yes, everyone.
Everybody
That is
fears
true. That
everyone.
is true, sir.
Yeah. So, so when it appears in your body, you are infected. First reaction, mental reaction, what do you have?
Well, to be very honest, sir, at the first instance, I thought maybe it's a viral infection. To be very honest with you, I had
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
maybe I had a sore throat. I had a little bit of temperature. I always had a
Okay.
bad tonsil, so at my first instance, I thought it must be that only because I've been having that since my childhood. But then when I saw that the fever is not going down, as in it's been regularly coming up, I had to regularly take the fever pills. So then I had a thought that I
Yeah.
should be getting tested myself. So yes, after having symptoms like for 2 days, I got my tests done. And after that, yes, I got to know that I got infected through the COVID virus, and maybe it was the
Yeah.
strain 2 virus that's still now not the upgraded one, as we call it.
Hmm.
Now the strain 3
It
is
is
going
more
on.
dangerous. It is more dangerous than the previous one.
Yes, yes,
So far,
yes,
doctors are telling.
yes,
Hmm.
absolutely. So far, the medicinal practitioners are saying that
Yeah,
it's way more
yeah,
dangerous
yeah,
than
yeah.
the previous ones.
Okay.
In my first instance, if you ask about my reaction, I was not that worried because I don't know why. I felt like the symptoms were something like I've been having that in a viral infection also. When a person goes through viral infections, it usually lasts around for 7 to 10 days. Normally, what I have seen, it does make your body weaker and you'll be having fever with body aches and all that. I did not feel anything else apart from that, at least to start with. But yes, eventually there were other symptoms like when you maybe once you start losing to sense things, once you start losing your taste, then yes, then I was little worried, maybe little worried ki, okay, this is something that has never happened with me ever. So that has been pretty much it in terms of reaction.
One thing, Mr. Datta, uh, you, so far I know, you do exercises, you do gym, you self care is there, you follow, you practice self care. Even then, uh, the question, any question arose in your mind that why it has come to me, and what is the positive report that city marked how much, what is the point? I think
The
it is
well,
uh,
my city mark as per my report was 11.95. What
it
I
is very low.
it's been very low, sir. It's been very low. What I when I
Yeah.
first consulted with the doctors with my report, they they were, because I knew those doctors so personally, so they were a little surprised and shocked as well. They asked me to take very good care because they told me anything below 26 or maybe 28 is fatal nowadays.
Mm.
But then again, I because I have a knack of researching everything. I don't know, maybe that is something in me. So I did certain things. I researched on my own. I What I found out was that it really doesn't depend on the viral load that you have. Maybe a patient having a viral load of maybe 28, 27 would be struggling to recover. And whereas a patient having a viral load of 13, 14, or maybe 12 for that sake, or maybe as low as 10 also sometimes, they can recover easily. So that thing was there in my mind. So if you ask me personally, was I surprised? Was I shocked? I was not shocked. I was not, as such, I was not at all scared also, sir. Or
But
I
rather,
mean,
very good. You have a strong willpower, I think, indomitable spirit. Uh, that is within you.
maybe, sir.
But I think where from this uh, inner power you have received.
So,
Everybody has that power within everybody else.
yes,
Okay.
well,
Some
sir, I feel that everyone would be stuck in a bad situation sometime or the other in their life. I feel like that. I do not measure that. I cannot measure anyone's level of getting into a trouble. But yes, personally, everyone must have been sticking around in some bad situations, maybe a very serious situation as well. So I myself, because I can share a small bit of experience that I had. I'll be very brief in this. So I have a, you can call it a small hobby that I do. That is nowadays what very many people does. That's hiking and trekking. So I had been going to a pass. That the name of that pass is Sar Pass. So I was along with one more trekker who was who was experienced. It was not like he was an amateur trekker. He meets an accident over there. And to be very honest, that was a very scary part of experience in my life. I got stuck without any proper help. But when I remember those times, I just recall the events that happened that day. I feel that maybe if that day also I would have just broken down, went down in a very sorrowful manner, the circumstances must have been something very different that is now. Fortunately, everything is okay. Today, that person is fine. He's healthy. He's walking. He's coming back to his normal course of life. So there was a moment over there when I was all alone. I was all stuck in an unknown place. And to be very honest with you, I had a very fearsome experience that maybe I won't be able to make back from that altitude. You must be having some time or the other, you might be stuck in such sort of a situation. I'm just giving an example. So thinking that moment, and that was also sort of a life-changing experience for me. Thinking that moment, and if I recall about COVID, what happened with me around 20 days back, I feel it was almost the same. Because if you watch the news, if you watch the social media platforms, everywhere you'll see a very pathetic, or rather, not just pathetic, it's a very sad affair that's been going on, whether whatever the reasons have been. Let's not get into that. But in terms of that, sir, I feel that you have to be very positive. You cannot just simply think that, oh my God, I have been infected with COVID. What can you do? Now that disease is airborne, either you can fight it, or you can just think about oh shit, I just got stuck with COVID. So
that means I admit your positive thought. You don't indulge in negativity, isn't it? Good. Very good.
I try my best, sir. I try my best to do that.
And this is the way to cope with, to struggle with, to cross the hurdles, any hurdles in life. Any hurdles in life. But
yes, sir, absolutely.
One thing that, do you have any feelings of uncertainty? You followed medicines or all these things, but do you have any sort of uncertainty of recovery?
Well, in my mind, I never had that little bit of doubt also that I won't recover, because
Very good.
I knew my body. I knew my body very well because I have been into some sort
Yeah,
of
this is
sports and some sort of adventure sports also, which my parents do not very well appreciate that. But well, that's one of my interests. So in that also, sir, I've been injured in the past. I have, or rather, I know when I'm not at my 100%, when my body is not at my 100%. So, sir, day by day, I used to obviously have a routine checkup sort of a thing that I developed personally, that, okay, I'll see whether I'm recovering or not. From inside, I knew I was recovering. I never had that little bit of iota of doubt also that I won't be recovering. The only thing that I wanted to do was I have to recover as soon as possible. That was the only objective in my mind. Maybe because of
Mr.
anything.
Doctor,
Because, yes,
Mr.
sir.
Doctor, during
Yes,
this
sir.
time, that isolation time,
Yes, sir.
um, whether uh, you just uh, how do you how did you spend your time other than thinking of COVID?
So I took that as a small vacation sort of a thing from my work. What I did was I watched a lot of movies, I listened to a lot of music, and most
Yeah,
importantly, I slept. I was not having proper sleep because of work. I just slept, to be very honest. And
that means
yes, there
that
was
means
one of,
music. Uh,
yes,
that means
something that
music
I,
therapy.
yes, yes, yes. Maybe that is something I'll, for example, I like listening to music. It's not just about music.
Yeah,
I feel if I'm talking about a person, he or she might like to read a book, watch something, binge watch something on these social
yeah.
media OTT platforms. Those are now
Mm,
available. I
mm.
did exactly those things. I watched certain things on the laptop. I listened to the music, and well, I couldn't be working much, so I treated it as a medical leave for myself from the strenuous
That
work
means
cycle.
that means you are diverting yourself
Yes,
to a positive thinking rather than indulging in coronavirus effect depression. No
yes,
depression. Is it?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, absolutely.
Very
Because
good. Very absolutely. Actually,
what? Yes, what I feel is that I prior to the 2021 mutation that happened, even when I was reading news, looking up things on the social media platforms, so it all started with a spike in March. So you will
Yeah,
obviously be reading about things on the newspapers, on the TV. You'll be watching all these stories that there's lack of oxygen cylinder, people going down with their oxygen levels, and it's little depressing, to be very honest. As a patient, I feel it will be depressing. And yes, for those who must be admitted in the hospitals, they are going through a different sort of a situation like we faced at our homes. If we are
right,
quarantined at
right,
our home, they are
right,
watching
right.
patients passing away, and that does affect your mind a lot. So yes, strong willpower, sir. I feel strong willpower and positive thinking, that's all, sir. And
So,
nothing
what do you
very
feel?
special. Yes, sir.
What do you feel when a patient is admitted to hospital, ICU, or ventilator? So there will be no touch, no relative surrounding him. So
Well,
this mind is very much depressed.
hmm,
He or
hmm,
she feels lonely,
hmm,
and
hmm.
that harms his or her disease progress, isn't it?
Yes,
What do
it
you
is.
feel?
It is, sir.
It is not common to other diseases. So
Yes,
this
yes,
disease, particular disease, this is a tragic sin. Uh, so this I think we must be we are helpless at that time. The relatives are helpless. They can't do anything. Even they don't touch the body after death, and
yes,
no rituals, no nothing. So this sin is very um,
yes,
very
sir. That is very sorrowful. all these
Very
situations
sorrowful.
are very sorrowful. Eventually, I feel, sir, that maybe as a patient who has been admitted in the hospital, the strength of that patient is his loved ones.
Yeah, yeah.
Nowadays,
Very,
since each and everyone has a cell phone with themselves, and you are allowed to keep that cell phone in the hospital, I know that much. So
yeah,
yes, little bit of responsibility comes from those people who are close to you. You should be at least calling them up. You should not
yeah,
be talking
yeah,
about what's happening there, or rather,
yeah, yes,
what
yes.
about the
Mm,
other patients
mm,
and this,
yeah.
that. It makes them more uncomfortable. I feel if you talk about
Right,
good things, you just
mm,
motivate them, it boosts their spirits up.
right, right. You are actually. I counsel the terminal cancer patients,
Yes, sir.
um, and I boost their mind. I don't ask their about the disease or negativity. Just
Yes.
how to cope with, how to live well. That I counsel. I just tell them,
Yes, sir.
and in this way, one thing. Do you know about palliative care?
I
Have you
have
heard the term palliative care?
I have not heard about that term, sir.
Palliative care is an approach
Yes.
which deals with the human being as a whole,
Hmm.
mitigating mitigating the total pain. Total pain means physical, emotional, social, and economic, and spiritual.
Yes, sir.
That no other medical practitioners use this. We
Hmm.
are the advocate of palliative care, and palliative care, the sorrow figure is in India only 2% of the patients are accessible to palliative care. So
Okay.
that palliative care, if palliative care approach is practiced, is followed and is applied on the patient will feel that he is or she is not alone. We are with them,
Yes.
and they will not be isolated. Their mental power will be boosted up.
Y-
So
y-
this during this coronavirus period, we also uh, we also spread the news that
hmm.
be happy in mind, be strong in mind.
Hmm.
And now I will ask you, what is your message to the human being? Just 2 or 3 lines. What you tell your message, which will be
Well,
spread, will be
well,
circulated.
so I, well, through your platform, so firstly, what you are doing is something, an initiative which I have never heard people doing. It's like improving a person's mind, body, and soul. That sort of a treatment I have never really heard of. But yes, not just physically, emotionally also a person needs support during these tough times and these stressful times. I do not deny that at all, sir. I would say, sir, as a message, every person is different. Every person has a different thought process. Every person reacts differently to different situations. In my case, because my approach has been little, maybe little aggressive or maybe confident, like you said, I don't know. Well, but yes, for other people, I would say that have positive thoughts. You cannot be thinking about shrinking down with the disease. You have to fight it back. You have no other
Yeah,
option. It
yeah,
cannot
yeah,
be
yeah,
helped. Now, if there is a problem, you have to find a solution to that. My approach
yeah.
is that, sir. And that is what kept me going. I never even had little bit of doubt that I won't be improving. And that is something I feel ki if someone is dead sure about this thing in his mind, nothing can beat him, not even COVID. That is my
Yeah.
thinking absolutely. And
Yes. Very good, very good. And I believe what you know, I believe death will come once.
yes, sir.
We are born, and death will come once. So
Yes,
out
sir.
of fear, why do we summon death, welcome death every time?
Sir, that
So
is something I feel that you also don't know. I also don't know what will happen, when will happen.
yeah,
So
yeah,
why
yeah,
to just think about a situation ki, okay, I am infected with this disease, I am gone. That sort of a
yeah.
mindset will obviously demotivate
Right,
you at the
right.
very beginning.
Right.
So
Right. You are.
having that
Right,
confidence
you
and positivity will help, because I have been also hearing people who have just simply collapsed out of depression due to this disease, which is again, sir, you cannot really tell people please don't be depressed. It's not a mechanical
I-
process.
Mm.
But
I
yes, within
believe,
yourself, you
I
have to
believe
be
your,
confident.
I believe your message will inspire many human
I,
beings. I thanks,
I, I really hope
many
so, sir. I
thanks to
really
you.
hope so. In any manner which I am able to help,
And
that is the best sort of
and
help
uh,
that we can do,
and
helping each other
you
out.
have come for an interview. You have come with the conversation. I am very glad. Thank
Thank
you
you so
very
much,
much.
sir. Thank you so much for having me on this platform.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.